They got now sneeze for you. You gonna tell who got the best sneeze? Okay.
You said what?
Achoo. 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 Achoo.
What the fuck?
Achoo.
I don't know what that was. Achoo. Achoo.
Achoo.
Achoo.
Okay. Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Shit, I'm with. You said what?
Pam.
Your name what?
Pam.
Pam.
Liz.
Who?
Liz.
Like Lizzie McGuire.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ari.
Ari? I know. Damn, we done met like 15 Aris in them motherfuckers. 20? Hell nah. But back to the shit, it sounds simple today, man. All we about to do is sneeze for y'all, bro.
Y'all about to what?
We about to sneeze. We're not gonna sneeze on y'all, but we're gonna sneeze for y'all. You feel me?
Yes, excellent.
Are y'all ready? Achoo! Achoo!
What the fuck?
I know it's a... Achoo!
A little down, motherfucker. A little. Achoo. Achoo. I like that sneeze. Hey, who got the best sneeze? See, she said I add a little extra. Oh yeah. He had that basic nigga sneeze though.
I got that go-to motherfucker.
You was too basic though. You feel me? They added a whole
So
bunch
you wanna
of.
hear a nigga moaning while he sneezing? What y'all got going on?
That's what it's my sneeze. Achoo.
Nigga like R. Kelly out there. Shit, I'm Will. You forgot your name, girl?
I got a fake name.
Get your ass, come on.
Fake name. Start over.
I'm Will.
Jasmine.
Man, you got a crazy nigga out here, son.
Nope.
She trying to get in the kill with shit out now. Oh, it's 3 right here, right? You see us 3? We just about, they got now sneeze for you. You gonna tell who got the best sneeze? Okay?
You said what?
You heard what I said.
Sneeze.
Sneeze.
Alright.
You good? Alright.
Achoo. Achoo.
That shit was sexy.
That shit.
Check me out.
Go ahead.
Achoo!
Relax.
Achoo! Y'all ready?
Y'all fucking up.
Achoo! Achoo!
What's that train, motherfucker? Alright, so that sexy sneeze. She already know who it is.
All of them was horrible.
Fuck you then, ugly ass bitch.
Ugly.
Which one?
Yours was the worst.
You like it? It was like a little choo-choo chain on it. You like
You
that?
make me cringe. And yours was ugly too, but yours was the worst. It was the least cringing.
Okay,
You had a basic ass sneeze. You like basic ass nigga. What you like? We in Atlanta with it.
Destiny.
Destiny, you almost got your name. All right, so look, man. Question for, well, it's not even a question. We basically gonna be sneezing for you today, and you gonna tell us who got the sexiest sneeze. Tell your friend, come on, get in. Come on, fam. You might as well hop in. It ain't nothing crazy. What's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda. All right, so look, we gonna be sneezing for you today, and you gotta tell us who got the sexiest sneeze. All right. Say it.
Okay.
Guess I'll go first.
Achoo! Achoo! Oh, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I like that.
You like that?
I gotta add more a little effect into mine. It's a sneeze.
That's not a fucking sneeze.
Let me try again.
Who sneezes like that?
Me? All right, so who got the sexiest sneeze?
Him. Yeah, it's no such thing.
Man, damn.
You just had a basic ass sneeze?
Yeah, it was a basic ass nigga sneeze.
Exact.
What's your name?
Heavy.
Who?
Heavy.
Heavy?
Heavy.
Hell yeah. You?
Day.
Day? Alright.
J.
What?
Day and Jay? Okay, shit. It's something simple today. All we about to do is tell us who got the sexiest sneeze, though.
You know what I'm saying? It's Corona time, you know.
Oh, let me tell you something. Bitch, y'all don't catch on. They finna sneeze on us.
We're not about to.
Damn. Hell, fucking.
We're not about to sneeze on y'all. We're not gonna sneeze on you. They don't make no sense. Come on.
They right there.
No. Come to the video.
Sneeze over there.
We are. That's what I'm saying. We're not about to sneeze on y'all. Come on, bro. Y'all got three. That's what made the video interesting, bro. We're not gonna sneeze on. We're not gonna. Come on. You say you don't wanna do no boring shit.
Sneeze over there.
We are, but you gotta stand it. You gotta stand in the clip. You gotta be in the clip. Go ahead, bro.
Go ahead, my boy. Go ahead.
Ah, we gotta be in the clip together. Damn.
Okay, look. All right. Achoo. Oh, yeah.
Y'all ready? Wait, y'all ready? Shh, calm down. You good? You good? Hold on.
All right, go ahead. I like that motherfucker.
Okay, who got the best sneeze?
Who got the best sneeze?
Hey,
I mean, you got the most normal one. His shit sound like Jacquees. And his shit sound like Trey Songz.
Who you got?
Definitely not that.
Damn.
Who you got then?
Not that shit either.
Mine. I like mine.
Yeah, I like hers. Let me hear yours.
Come on, bro. Y'all got it. All right, appreciate it. I can't get nobody in a video like that, bro. Damn. What's your name?
Shalia. Nana. Kiara.
Huh?
Kiara.
Huh?
Kiara.
Huh? Playing. All right, so look, what we gonna be doing today? Y'all know it's Corona time, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna be sneezing for y'all, and y'all gonna tell us who got the best sneeze. We ain't gonna sneeze on y'all, so you know. Yeah. So Quan, go ahead, go first.
Are y'all ready?
I don't know what that was. Achoo! Achoo! Oh yeah.
Excuse me.
Achoo! Okay.
That's about it, though. That's how y'all get out
All
of
right.
here. For real.
So, out of us three, who got the best sneeze? Come on, y'all gotta do it. Achoo! Okay.
Him.
Come on, man.
Wait, the fuck?
Wow, that's a nice little three-way. All right, thank y'all. It was that simple.
I will. You forgot your name? Oh, shit. What's your name?
Renee.
No.
Uh-huh.
Joe.
Okay, what's your
My
name?
name Alexis.
You sure?
Alexis, yeah.
Alright,
Like
shit.
a car? You get hers? Like a car? That shit like a car?
Hell yeah. But shit, goddamn, us three right here, though, right? All we about to do is sneeze for y'all. Y'all gotta tell us who got the best sneeze. Like sneeze. No, we don't got no Corona shit. We are, though. Why the hell would we sneeze on y'all, though?
Yummy!
You got the mask on, put that motherfucker on. Oh, yeah, go ahead, put it on.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Oh, my bad. I was prepared for it.
Feel me? Oh, y'all wanna hear it again?
Go ahead.
Achoo!
That was that motherfucker. I felt that motherfucker. Hell yeah. So what y'all got going on? What you think? I appreciate it. Yeah, she like that shit. Don't look at me like that. You got a problem with my Steve? You don't like it? who shit you like that?
Second. I'll say first.
Check it. Oh, chill. What the fuck that shit is?
I say his.
Oh, yeah.
That mean he getting fucked. He not doing the fucking.
Wait, what?
Yeah, simple. All we out there, motherfucker. Hello, I'm with.
Jessica, Nina. What?
Your name?
Jessica, Nina.
Y'all scared of Corona? Hell yeah. But shit, something simple today. All we about to do is tell us who got the sexiest sneeze, though. We gonna sneeze for y'all.
All right.
All right?
You better sneeze that way.
Chill. Okay. Chill.
Achoo. Who got the sexiest sneeze?
Him.
Damn. All right. That one. Thank you. Your name?
Zoe.
All right.
Acting like
Z.
in front of her son.
Z. All right. So look, man. What we gonna be doing today is a little crazy. We gonna be sneezing for y'all, and y'all gotta tell us who got the sexiest sneeze. It's that simple. I'm gonna let my boy go first.
Achoo. Achoo. Achoo.
Achoo. All right, so look, man. Out of us, who got the sexiest sneeze?
You sound like you was doing too much. I like his.
You like that shit?
Yeah, you were doing too much.
You like that shit? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That shit was sexy, wasn't it? That shit was sexy.
Yeah.
Yes,
like
sir.
It.
Ooh.
It's the sneeze for me.
It was a hater.
I like it. Yeah, it's the sneeze for me.
Yeah. All right. So we.
Shauna for show.
Shauna for song. What?
Shauna for show.
Okay, so look, man. What you gonna be doing today is rating our sneezes. Who got the best sneeze? All right. So I'm gonna let my man Ye go first.
Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! All right. Okay. All right, so out of us three, who got the best sneeze? Achoo!
Probably you.
Oh yeah. Stop.
Listen, this nigga had that motherfucker.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm here with
Kennedy. Kara. Eve.
what?
Kennedy. Eve. Kara.
Okay. So today we got something that's a little slick. So y'all gonna be rating our who got the sexiest sneeze.
Sexiest who?
Sneeze.
Sneeze.
Yeah. So we gonna let my boy Dabb go first.
Achoo! Damn, okay. It's a light skin shit.
Shit, I had to get that bitch out. Who y'all think got the sexiest sneeze?
Yeah. It's Aquafina for me.
Okay. Ain't gonna hate on my boy. Appreciate it.
All right, thank y'all.